What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here. Chances are you're watching this video because you're researching email processing system. Maybe you want a no BS legit review so you can really make a decision, is this system right for you? Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because for the last 4 years, I've been blessed to work full-time from home, and I've been in over 5 different opportunities over the last 4 years, and I've seen a lot of what works, a lot of what doesn't work, and in this video, I want to share with you what you really need to know. So by the end of this video, you can decide if you want to go to the link below, partner with our movement, with our team, or if you want to maybe look for something else that's more fitting for what you're looking for. Okay, so first off, what is email processing system? Well, email processing system is basically an online work from home program that allows people to really make money, from their smartphone or their laptop. It was actually started about 5 years ago from a man and a woman, a couple, and they were really fed up with people struggling online. They were fed up with confusing, complicated methods and people not getting guidance, not getting proven training, people going in circles. And if you've ever joined something in the past and you've struggled, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this couple actually decided to create this system where you can actually make money online, whether you have any previous experience or maybe no technical ability, you can still do this. Okay, so how exactly does email processing system work and how can you make money with it, right? That's maybe what you're thinking. Well, email processing system works very simply. All we do when you join is you post on Facebook, on Instagram, on Craigslist, on YouTube. You post ads. Now, these ads are simply videos or pictures that are designed to get people interested in what it is we're doing. And what are we doing? We're selling the training to make money online, okay? So every time you sell that training to someone that wants to learn how to make money online, that's how you're gonna be making money. You make 100% of the money every time you refer someone to email processing system. Now, why do we post on Facebook and recommend posting on Craigslist and things like that? For the simple answer that you basically need to reach people, okay? And the easiest and quickest way to reach a ton of people is online through social media, okay? So almost everyone probably has a Facebook, you probably have an Instagram, and you can actually post these advertisements that we actually give you in the system, and you can start getting interested people reaching out to you for more information. And whenever they reach out, you're gonna send them your website that you can actually get created inside of the processing system, and you can basically send people that website, and that website's gonna explain and do all the telling and selling for you. And again, every time someone joins, which a high percentage will, based on how the website's constructed and designed, you're gonna make instantly that money into your PayPal account. That's really the overview, my friend. Now I have a more in-depth overview at the link below. If you head to easyonlineprofitsystem.com, you're gonna be able to find out more information. You're gonna see proof of our team, proof of all the bonuses you get. So if you're watching this video, my friend, and you found this helpful, please leave me a like. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions. I'll do my best to get back to all of them as soon as possible because I really want you to understand and realize why so many people lately have been joining this and really how simple it is when you fully grasp that all we're doing is posting and making money when people respond to those ads, okay? So if you're interested in learning more or you want to partner with my team and get access to my tons and tons of bonus training, my 24/7 support in our Facebook group, and you really want my guidance after 4 years, go to the link below, get started on one of the levels, and I look forward to working with you. Thanks so much, my friend, and I will see you very soon. God bless.